kids. Yes, this is Shipra again with my new DIY activity, which you can see is a origami fish. But before that, and what all things do we need? Before that, I should tell you, we need to do something. Yes, my dear kids. So let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. So on behalf of Yellow Class, I, Shipra, welcome you for a DIY activity where we are going to make these origami fish, which are very easy and you can easily make it. So what all things do we need for that is a 15 by 15 centimeter sheet, origami sheet, and a black sketch pen for the eyes. And if you want to make the fins, then for the fins also. So let me just start. We are going to make the foldings like this as a triangle. So what I have done, simple way like this, and I have folded it properly. Now, again, we'll open it and we will again fold it like this, kids. So it is first this way and then this way. Then fold it like this. Open it and fold it like this. I hope the instructions are clear. We are going quite slow. What I did after my triangle folding like this and this, I did it like this and like this. Now taking this is my center line. I will be folding it like this. It's quite simple, kids. What I have done, this is the center line. This line, I am folding it like this and like this. I will fold it. Same way, I will take this as my center thing and fold it like this. You will make a triangle. Okay. So your folding has been done. A look like something like a triangle has come out again properly. Now from one side, what we are going to do, that we'll simply fold it like this. So we'll take this line as now the center line and take it till here. Just one side, kids, not this one. Again, we have two flaps. We have two flaps. So just folding one flap like this. And your fish is ready. So you just simply have to fold the things and your fish is ready. You can just simply give a dot like this. And if you want to make the fins, you can make this. So our origami fish, which is quite simple, is ready. I hope the instructions are clear, kids. And it was. So we have done these foldings. Now, just taking one flap, we'll turn it upside down or maybe this way also. Just fold it like this. And another folding like this. And overlapping this. And so our fish is ready, kids. You can see we can just make the eyes. And if we want to make the fins, we can make the fins also. And if you don't want to make the fins, we can leave the fins. And your simple origami fish is ready. Like this I have made without fins. So I hope the instructions were clear. It was quite easy and you can easily make it. Thank you for watching this video. Do share your pictures. Do share your feedbacks. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.